What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we're going to be doing an open cup with some interesting colors. So I have a deep red, it's more of a magenta in hue, and then a fluorescent pink. We have an oxide black and a titanium white, a metallic titanium white. All these colors are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. This is the same color black, it's just without any oil. I do have 2 drops of coconut milk anti-breakage serum in the colors to aid in cell creation. And we're gonna get going. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a great day. All I did was take a paper cup and I cut the top off of it. But I hope you guys are having a great day. It's getting a little bit chillier here in Phoenix, which is not a problem. But over here just like living life, kind of starting to get into the drums a little bit. I'm not gonna say I'm anything special yet, but I do enjoy it. It's fun. It's a nice additional outlet. Been focusing mostly on 80s songs, but it's been a lot of fun. So I'm not going to use too much black because I know the black will just completely take over. I chose the pink and the metallic white as some really nice contrasting colors against that black, and then the deep red / like magenta color is more to bring things back from that brightness and tone them down a little bit. Yeah. I love the way these cells are looking out there. That's beautiful. We got a lot of cool things going on. Hold on, before I add that, I'm gonna warm it up just a bit, just a little. See what we can get. If we can coax some more to come up. Oh, look at that white coming through. That's really cool. Oh wow. Yeah, that's really helping out. Just that little bit of heat brought all those little tiny cells up. All right, so now let's add a little bit of white just to top that off. There we go. And then the stark contrast of the black. Man, the cells are just nuts. Open cups are just a lot of fun. As you can see each layer that you put in there.
Oh shit, sorry.
Yep. Just taking the lid of the cup and just swiping through that center portion. Trying to break up some of that solidness going on. Effectively, you're just doing a swipe through the middle. And there was that large spot of black. Hold on. I'm already seeing something I'm not gonna like, because once I stretch that out, that black's gonna take up so much room. So all I'm gonna do is put the cup back on it and do a couple thin layers of other colors. small amounts. So that way right in the middle, it's not a giant spot of black. We'll have like a dot. There, just one dot, that's all we need. All right, so now again, we'll swipe through it all. And instead of having a big dark center, now we can have a few different color combinations going on in the middle, which will help out a lot. Alright, so a little bit of heat. Let me move some of these colors out of the way. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. It's gonna be really nice. Alright, so maybe a little bit of black paint just over here on this corner. Don't really need too much. There we go. Alright, I think we're about ready. And just in that little bit of time, like so many different things have started happening in there. Here we go. Oh wow, look at that. What? That is beautiful. Just that right there. Wow. That's really nice. So we thinned the layers out, so now I'm just going over it with a heat gun, helping any more cells that want to come forward. Dang, I love that. That's beautiful. What? Wow. All right, let me get you guys down here. I want you to see this wet. Then we'll come back when it's dry and see the transformation that has occurred. I love open cups. Wow. We have some super cool stuff going on up here. I mean, basically throughout the whole canvas, it's pretty interesting stuff. Lots of cells everywhere. And I already know that going through the drying process, we're gonna get a lot more.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.